Hi. In today's session, I'm discussing about the medicines that is used for dry cough. Okay, what are the common medicines that are used for simple cough or dry cough? That is pertaining for a week or something like that. So, from last week onwards, I'm experiencing the same thing. So many people are telling me to upload videos for the same. So, in this video, I'm suggesting you the names of the medicines that doctor has given to me. My cough is very severe, and these are the medicines. That is Ascaral LS. That is a syrup. It's a syrup, and you have to consume it for 3 times a day, and it's you know uh, the quantity is one, and its price is 94. And the next one is Budamate capsules. This is a one Budamate capsules, which is used as capsules in inhaler. It's a Budamate 400 trans caps. It consists of 30 capsules, and it cost around 202 rupees. Okay, so this is very useful because why we use inhaler? Um, that's a main common question here, because instead of consuming medicines, inhaler is the best. Why? Because when we consume medicines, it goes to our stomach, and after going through the different blood vessels and different parts of the body, then only it absorbs to the it absorbs it that so sorry it absorbs to the required part of the body. But inhaler directly goes into our body. The medicines which we used in inhaler will directly goes into our lungs, and it will react within a short span of time. So that's why we it's doctors prescribe inhalers more than medicines. Okay, next the one is Deriflin. Deriflin 150 mg capsules. Deriflin capsules is mainly used for coughing, breathing difficulties, wheezing, shortness of breath, etc. Deriflin capsules is mainly we have to consume 2 times a day, that is after food. These are the Deriflin capsules. So it is a very cheap medicine. One capsule, you know, uh, it cost only 0.77 something like that, and for 30, it cost around 23.